Imagine an entire city buried for 3,000 years near Luxor in 2021, a discovery rivaling Tutankhamun.
What they found was astonishing. Entire homes, bakeries, and workshops were still in place. It was as if the people had only just walked away.
Experts called it one of Egypt's greatest modern discoveries. But one mystery remains. How many more forgotten cities are still hidden? At its peak, the lost Golden City was one of ancient Egypt's most prosperous communities. Skilled craftsmen produced jewelry, pottery, and Amenhotep III. Archaeologists uncovered sealed jars, jewelry, workshops, and everyday objects almost exactly where they had been left over 3,000 years ago.
But beneath Egypt's endless sands, countless secrets may still be waiting to be discovered. Which one should we uncover next?